Hi guys, it's Ian from DIY Home and Gardening. Start of a new little project, so let me show you. Well, this is the new allotment plot. I think it's going to need some work, so yeah, watch this space, see how we get on. So first half hour spent, we've lifted off old bits of carpet, sheeting, panes of glass, lumps of concrete, bits of timber, and that's what we're left with. Doesn't look much better. Now to get on and do some strimming, so yeah, get on with it. Definitely taking longer than anticipated, and strimmer's just turned itself off, but hour and 20 minutes so far. Yeah, that's what I kind of think, is that should have probably got someone else to help me, or yeah, I don't know what else, but I reckon probably about another hour's work. Well, safe to say that rain has stopped play for the moment, so I'm hiding out in the shed. Just well, wanting to get back out there, but you know that once you get back out there, it's going to be that much tougher to get the strimmer through, as it's going to be nicely wet now. Okay, 3¼ hours, and I've run out of fuel. It was always going to happen, wasn't it? So yeah, I think I'll have to obviously call it a day and wrap up, and I'll probably see you tomorrow. There, so that's the last bit done on another day, glorious day. So watch this space. So I hope you liked the video, you know, me clearing some ground, but yeah, this is just going to be the start of the new allotment project, so yeah, let's see what happens, and yeah, keep tuned. So if you like what I'm normally doing, then please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that reminder button so you don't miss out on the future videos that I'm doing, and yeah, most importantly, just enjoy yourselves, have fun, and see you soon. Bye for now.